Hi and welcome back. In this part, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the Figma file editor. So our Figma file editor has four main areas: the toolbar, the layers panel, the canvas area, and the properties panel. Here under background, we can change the background color of our canvas. We can pick any color we want. We can navigate from left to right and top to bottom using the space key and click and drag with your mouse. We can zoom out with the minus button or zoom in to see more details with the plus key. And here, if we go to the top right corner, we have more zoom options. And if we want to see the overall view of our design, hit zoom to fit, and we will get an overall view of all our design. Next, let's go to the file browser and open new projects. With Figma, you can create multiple canvas inside a single file. So here in the layer section, under page 1, let's click, and here we have our pages area. So each page has its own canvas. And with Figma, we can create multiple pages inside one file. So let's hit the plus button. Let's change its color to darker gray. And here you can see we have 3 canvas inside one file. All right, you can now navigate your way in the Figma editor without difficulties. Thanks, and I will see you in the next lesson.